Today we're testing out the new BAM charcoal, which is 100% bamboo charcoal made here in the United States. Cooking up some strip steaks on the Santa Maria. We're gonna see how this charcoal performs, how hot it gets, and there's a lot of benefits we'll talk about. So stick around, we're gonna jump right in. Well, let's prepare these steaks. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna be using my Y'all seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and celery seed, no binder. This stuff is coarse, it's flavorful, it's well balanced, it's premium ingredients. You will not be able to find anything like this when it comes to flavor and taste. There's a lot of SPGs out there, but you gotta give Y'all a shot. I'm telling you, it will change the game. Your breakfast, your meats, all of the things. So we're gonna let that go, and now we're gonna take this BAM charcoal to the Santa Maria grill and get this thing lit up so these steaks can start searing. All right, so this box comes in 5 pounds of charcoal, comes within a brown bag with all the charcoal in there, and as you look at it, you could tell that it's got smaller pieces, but the thing that they highlight is that you can burn less fuel and it'll last a lot longer. So it's gonna burn hotter, faster. You're not gonna need to use as much because it doesn't have additives. It's not sawdust. I'm gonna leave a lot of the different descriptions that they describe their charcoal on the screen and also in the description, so you can kind of see how it was made. But all that to say, let's go ahead and put a little bit of charcoal in a spot, get it lit up, see how fast it lights, how hot it gets, so we can start searing these steaks. All right, team, let's light up this charcoal. We're gonna be using a chimney starter. This is a best practice that BAM recommends. So we're gonna fill this up, fire it up to get the best result. Dump that right here. There we go, good base right there. All right, team, I can see it just burning here. So we're gonna go ahead and put these steaks right above the charcoal. And we're just gonna do the flip method and just flipping until we get to our internal temperature that we're looking for. More of that searing temperature. All right, team, we got done grilling these steaks. It's time to do a little taste test. We got a good char on here. Let it rest for a few minutes here. See how we did. Do one slice here. And just like anything, it's gonna taste like great steak. Some great flavor, man. Beyond my steak, I would say, man, that produced some really great flavor. Well, let's talk about the final product, man. Overall, this thing is awesome. We really enjoyed testing out the BAM charcoal, the bamboo. I think the flavor on the steak turned out really wonderful. It burns hot, quick. It's very lightweight, and to their credit, a little can go a long way. My only critique is that the charcoal is a lot lighter than I thought, but in some way that's a good thing. Can pile a big stack in there and produce a great searing result. This is $35.99 with free shipping. This is definitely worth trying out. Let us know what questions you have in the comments and what you thought of the results of this charcoal test. And again, from my backyard, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.